The Aixam 400 is a compact, lightweight, and efficient microcar designed for urban mobility. It is part of Aixam's lineup of small, city-friendly vehicles, often categorized as quadricycles due to their size and engine specifications. Here are some key details about the Aixam 400. Key features: engine, typically equipped with a small diesel or petrol engine. Engine displacement is usually around 400 cc, making it fuel efficient and suitable for low-speed urban driving. Power output is modest, often around 5 to 6 horsepower, which is sufficient for city commuting. Transmission: most models come with an automatic transmission (CVT), making it easy to drive in stop-and-go traffic. Dimensions: length, approximately 2.3 to 2.5 meters. Width, around 1.4 meters. Height, roughly 1.4 meters. Weight, about 350 kilograms empty. Seating, typically seats two passengers in a tandem. Front and back configuration. Fuel efficiency, extremely fuel efficient, with consumption often around 3 to 4 liters per 100 kilometers depending on the engine type. Top speed, limited to around 45 kilometers per hour, 28 miles per hour, as it is designed for urban use and falls under quadricycle regulations in many countries. Design, compact and minimalist design, with a focus on practicality and ease of parking. Often features a lightweight, plastic body to reduce weight and improve efficiency. Licensing, in many countries, the Aixam 400 can be driven with a lower category license, for example, AM license in Europe, making it accessible to younger drivers or those without a full car license. Safety, basic safety features, such as seatbelts and a roll cage, are included. Due to its small size and low speed, it is not designed for highway use or high-impact safety standards. Purpose: ideal for short-distance urban commuting, running errands, or as a secondary vehicle for city dwellers. Target audience: urban commuters looking for an affordable and efficient vehicle, younger drivers or those without a full driver's license, individuals seeking a practical solution for short-distance travel in congested cities. The Aixam 400 is a niche vehicle designed for specific use cases, offering a balance of simplicity, efficiency, and affordability.